Alright friends, welcome to another Amazon unboxing. So I needed some speakers for my new computer setup. My monitor, my BenQ monitor, has speakers, but they're like super quiet. It's super hard to hear on them. So needed a little bit more sound. Found these guys on Amazon. So these have 63,000 ratings and 4.5 stars. So it runs about it's $18.93 right now on Amazon. And so I was like, man, it's got really good reviews. I'll check them out. So they have different ones. They have ones with like a subwoofer and stuff like that. But these feature elevated wide stage, gives audio greater dimensions, dual far field drivers, project audio further than most speakers, and passive radio for enhanced bass. Plus they look kind of cool. I wanted some maybe with some LEDs to match my keyboard and computer and mouse and mouse pad and all that, but not really a big deal if you don't really need LEDs on there. Okay, so the first thing we have in this little box here, this little box that, okay, let's open that up. Okay, it's got some instructions. It's a lot of instructions there. Hopefully I don't need to read all that. What else is in the bag here? Okay, so these are a little bigger than I thought they might be. Good packaging on these. Okay. So there's one. I'll take that plastic off of there too. And here's another here. There we go. Get that out of the way. And looks like it's got a fairly long cord here. Do they really need to put tape on that? I mean, see if I can't free my get the cords out of there. So it's a USB plug-in, and it looks like it's got an audio in jack as well. So let's get a okay, that's the little bass thing there on the bottom, I'm guessing. Let's get bass speakers in the back right there, and then that's the bottom part. So it's got a nice little like rubber / silicone pad there, and we're just gonna plug these in and see how well they work. Looks kind of cool on the desk actually. Just kind of sits there like this. So take this plastic off of there, but yeah, check that out. Looks pretty neat. And then this one here has the light on there and the volume control. So pretty cool. These look like they're going to be just fine to fit under my well, they're a little bit taller. They're what, about 4 inches, maybe 5 inches tall, and I'll just put them behind my monitors right here, and they should be kind of nice. So yeah, I'm going to plug these in real quick. So we'll just see how that works, and then we'll get some listen to some sound and see how well it sounds there. Okay, well, I just plugged in the USB and the audio jack into audio out, and plug and play works great. I'll see if you guys can hear this or not. I just got a little video here. It used to be so quiet I couldn't, on some videos I'd play like on YouTube, and you couldn't hardly hear anything. So I have a video I made, Art of War one, so let's see if we can hear this one.
I'm just getting hammered, guys. I am absolutely just getting destroyed. So
you guys probably can't even hear that, but it used to be about that quiet.
Just had a little chat with a buddy. You know who you are. Yeah, I'm gonna throw this in there.
Definitely, I can crank it up louder, and it works really nice.
We'll see how
Good
it
bass
goes
on
down
there,
here.
good sound, nice quality. It looks cool on the desktop. Yeah, no complaints there. The volume thing is just easy. The setup was easy. From the reviews, it looks like these are going to be some pretty awesome speakers here. So yeah, if you guys want to check them out, I'll link them in the description below from Amazon. I'm an Amazon associate, so if you buy stuff from my links, kind of supports the channel a little bit, so I do appreciate that.
That's what I'm talking about.
Well, thanks for watching this review, guys, and unboxing. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. So yeah, the plug and play was just plug it into USB and then plug it into your
all my
I don't have like a sound card on my computer. It's just the what is it, integrated sound on the motherboard, and it has like an out
here's some Rhino
audio.
Nights. You guys want to go out
There's
to
a
Rhino Nights or something?
Yeah, one out
Goes
one,
the
and I
Rhino
just
Night,
put
go
it in
get
there,
him.
and that's
And-
where I
oh,
plugged
okay,
it in.
some of
So
you guys are like-
super simple. The
we'll
hardest
go
part
after
was
it.
just getting my wires
That second one, I
under
guess.
my monitors and stuff around the back.
So that one seemed to
all right,
work out a
guys,
little
we'll
better.
catch you
Kinda
next time.
draws
Have a
the
great
guys
day,
off, but
and
all
be
the
safe out
cannons
there.
are left.